Welcome back to SRC. It's Color Week.
And today we'll be reading The Day the Crayons Quit by Daywalt.
And we'll also be making this fun string art.
Today we'll be reading The Day the Crayons Quit by Daywalt and illustrated by Oliver Jeffers. This book is published by Philomel Books, an imprint of Penguin. If you'd like to listen to The Day the Crayons Quit, click the link in the description below.
Hey guys, today we are doing string art, so let's get started.
For this craft, you will need cardstock, containers to put your string and your paint in, a variety of paint. We used washable, and then string and scissors to cut up your string. So to start, you're going to add your paint to your smaller containers, and then you're going to take one string and put it into the paint. And you're kind of going to want to make sure that it's covered by moving it around. Then you are going to take your string out of the paint and you're going to put it parallel to the paper and then pull on the string so that it makes a design and drags on the paper. Continue with different colors until you are happy with how your string art has turned out.
Alright you guys, our string art is finished. Hope you guys had fun. Thanks for tuning in.